Again, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Nauder Khazan over here, the Director of Field Development. As I mentioned, I'm actually at a parking lot of a big church here, getting ready to go to a graduation. But I wanted to reach out to you. First of all, welcome all the brand new people that joined LiveGood last week. I'm sorry about my glasses. It's been an amazing ride, and we're just the tip of the iceberg, ladies and gentlemen. Why? Because what we're doing in LiveGood, nobody else is doing. We create the most advanced nutritional products on earth, made by the best ingredients money can buy, and we bring it to you at almost cost. How can we do that? Through the power of the club membership. That's what it's all about. When you have 1.5 million, 2 million, 3 million, soon 10, 20, 30, 40 million people that are part of a family called LiveGood, an ecosystem called LiveGood, we can create the most advanced product, result-driven products made by the best ingredients money can buy, and offer free training by Lisa and Ryan. How do we do it? Again, through the power of club membership, the subscription base. So real quick background. Traditional network marketing companies, we are a supplement company that use the best part of the network marketing or direct sales or multi-level marketing, whatever you want to call it, to get the good word of LiveGood to the everyday people. And the fact that we have a 3 out of 10 people, 4 out of 10 people that join LiveGood almost immediately start sharing the LiveGood with everyone that they know, even though we don't have a requirement for recruiting, we don't have a requirement for product purchase. Guess what? That's one of the reasons people are almost immediately start sharing the opportunity with their friends and the products with their friends, because finally they know there is a company called LiveGood making the most advanced nutritional products on earth, very, very fresh. And because we don't actually commission the tangible, something that you can touch, we commission the membership. We can actually splurge in quality ingredients, and we can bring them to you at very close to cost. A great example is Costco. Costco doesn't make that much money on their actual product. They make about 10 to 15, 10 to 13, 14% on the product. The money is made on the membership. And as we know, Ben talks about it all the time, people's buying habits are shifted. People are not going to overpay for things. So there's going to be a lot of hot buzzwords that you're going to hear in LiveGood that I'm going to go through really quick. I want you to know what they mean, what it's all about, and the importance of it. One of them, as I mentioned, is that the people's buying habits are shifted, meaning people are not going to go back paying $65 for a CBD oil to a friend that's involved with another network marketing company when the same network marketing company talking about giving away trips and Ferraris and cars and rings based on a single mother paying $65 for a CBD oil that costs about $15 to make. And all of those companies' compensation plans actually let you know they're charging you 10 times more for the product, because where else do you think the trips and the commissions and the BV to the dollar and the corporate offices all over the world come from? We do things differently. We're very efficient. Ben Glinsky, our CEO, that I've had the opportunity to be a friend with for over a quarter of a century, has ran lean companies for over a couple of decades. Before running lean companies and people working from home and remote work was a thing, Ben was doing it. I was there with him. I had the honor and pleasure to be his friend even then. And now you bring that gentleman who really didn't have to come back to this industry for the money. He came out. I don't want to speak for him, but just for him to come back to network marketing and almost 2 million people recognizing what we're doing is the right thing to do, getting people the highest quality product that's documented at lowest price, the 100% money back guarantee. That's such a blessing. And you're right in front of that, ladies and gentlemen. You're right in front of that. That's very, very important. So I want to, first of all, welcome all of you to our LiveGood family. The second thing I want you to do is remember this. This cannot unsee what we have. I mean, think about it. How else can you get for $100 that other companies will give you one product, they sprinkle some fancy things in it to make it look like what product is going to do, when it seems they mix something for $8, they sell it to you, they sell it to people for $100. That's the old way of doing it. We're doing it a different way. As we said, we make it with the best ingredients, freshest ingredients. We don't commission the product, therefore we can splurge on the ingredient quality, and we commission the membership. A quick example. Imagine when Costco, let's go Amazon because it's global. Imagine when Amazon, they have currently 200 million people paying Amazon $14.95 a month. So if you ever pay for something, you get free shipping out of it. But 200 million people worldwide are paying Amazon. Guess what? Amazon started with books. And now look at them. It took Amazon 2 years to get their first 1 million people, ladies and gentlemen. Now they have 200 million people. They took them 2 years to get their first 1 million people. And guess what? It cost them millions and millions of $50, $60, $70 million of investor money to bring those first million Prime members in. We did that in 13 months in LiveGood. And not only we didn't spend money on investors, we actually paid generously tens of millions of dollars to everyday people who were so proud, holding their chin up, knowing they can finally offer the most advanced nutritional products on earth, documented to their friends with 100% money back guarantee. And that proudness, that the fact that people can hold their chin up, is what's making LiveGood the fastest growing company in the world in many aspects, and that's supplement, network marketing, soon we just added this skincare. We're bringing out fundraising, gym programs. We're gonna have household goods, pet products. All of those, because of the LiveGood business model, which is a club membership, we can bring the best products on earth at the lowest price. Why? Again, because we don't commission the actual product. We commission the membership. Therefore, we don't have to make it for $5 and sell it for $80 to pay commissions and run operations out of it. We actually make it for $14, for an example, our greens, our reds, our E3, for $13 to $14, because we use the most expensive ingredient Dr. Good can find, and we bring it to you at almost cost. $18 for members, a little bit more as retail customers, which is still about a fifth of what you can find somewhere else. So first thing you want to do, step number one, you want to go ahead and place your product order. Again, we don't have any product purchase requirement. However, statistically, everybody that joins LiveGood almost immediately places a product order between 6 and 7. Why? Like I said, because you just can't unsee the goodness. The network marketing companies, traditional network marketing companies, make product for 10, sell it to their distributors for about 60. So the distributor buys it for 60 and then sells it to their friends for 70. So the friend is paying $70 for a $10 product. They are a selling club. We're a buyer's club. We're an ecosystem. So everything that we make them with the best ingredients, freshest ingredients, free training with Lisa and Ryan. But guess what? We make these products for our members to use for themselves and their family. That's how we keep in the cost low, because we don't commission the tangible. So let's say for the same $8,500 that people are buying one CBD oil and one weird bottle from another company that gives away cars and trips and exotic, whatever, from people overpaying, in LiveGood for the same $80, $90, they can get an entire Ultimate Wellness Pack, has a 100% money back guarantee. You want to buy that from anywhere else. I'm not talking just network marketing. You want to buy that from a vitamin store, your doctor, your clinic, it will cost you about $400, $450, because even a regular chain of commerce is going to have that 10x. It is exploding. Why? Because people are like, finally, I can get trained by Lisa and Ryan. Finally, I can get the best product documented at the lowest price, the 100% money back guarantee. And so what? I'm not going to get a pink Cadillac. So what? But guess what? One of the reasons we're duplicating, because people are proud. People are saying, oh my gosh, I cannot believe I just got the Daily Essential Pack, which has about $150 value, for less than $1 a day. Well, how can we do it? It's very simple. We don't commission the product. We commission the membership. So Dr. Goodkin can splurge in ingredients. So step number one, place your product order. Step number two, one of the things you get in your back office under the website addresses, you get a lot of tools, or part of the $9.95. One of the things you get is the most comprehensive health assessment on the planet. Now, just so you know, there's a lot of these out there. They ask you for free for your email address. Next thing you know, they answer a couple of questions, and bam, they're going to try to take $150, $180. I've seen us at $220, $215 for a comprehensive health assessment. Well, ours is the most comprehensive health assessment on the planet, absolutely free. So place your product order. Remember, it all comes with 100% money back guarantee, and fill this out. This goes to the company. Then I want to log into your back office and just grab it again and grab a couple of Lisa and Ryan's videos about on Mondays that you think will bless your friends, and reach out to everyone that you know on planet Earth. We're going to have 100 million people in this company within the next 5 or 6 years. We have less than 2 million people right now. Talk about an opportunity. Talk about a timing. And the way we're growing, you got celebrities. You got all kinds of portals on the internet just talking about LiveGood. All your friends are going to hear about LiveGood through you or someone else. I'd rather them hear through you. So very simple. Reach out to everyone that you know on planet Earth. After you place your product order, after you getting ready to do this, and you fill this out, I want to reach out to everyone that you know on the planet Earth and just keep it real short and sweet, and just say, hey, listen, it's me, Nauder. Hey, Bobby, how are you? Hey, Bobby, what's your email address? Grab their email address, Bobby's email address, and just say, hey, I'm going to send you the most comprehensive health assessment on the planet. I was thinking about you, buddy. That's it. Bam. That's it. Because you want to do this really quick. You want to make like 10, 15, 30 calls a day, right? Or emails or messenger, pigeon, or smoke signal, whatever you use to communicate with people. So it's super, super simple. You want to reach out, let's say Bobby. Bobby say, hey, Nauder, what's up? Hey, man, I need your email address. I got a great gift for you. Free. Love you, man. Or however you talk to your friends, right? And so let's say Bobby gives you his email, bobby@aol.com. So you go ahead and send Bobby your most comprehensive health assessment on the planet, found in your back office. And you know Bobby better than I know Bobby, right? You know Bobby better than our corporate team knows Bobby. He's your friend. Maybe he's somebody you used to date. Maybe he's somebody who rear-ended you on the freeway and you send you information. You don't have to be BFF. Remember, everybody can use LiveGood. We're not selling yoga pants, nothing wrong with them. We're not selling eyelashes, nothing wrong with them. We're not teaching people how to go find, clip coupons, nothing wrong with any of that. Everybody needs to get healthy, stay healthy, do it in an affordable way, and now they can with LiveGood. So I'm going to send Bobby a couple of Lisa and Ryan's Monday Zooms, and that's found in the web section of your office. So click on that. You should follow up with this as well. It's very important. And you want to grab a couple of Lisa and Ryan's videos that are about the products that you think your friend Bobby will like. Maybe Bobby's been struggling with sleep. Maybe Bobby's been struggling with weight management. Maybe Bobby's been struggling with some skin issues. Whatever it is, we probably have a solution for it. So grab a couple of Lisa and Ryan's videos that's also found in your back office, your most comprehensive assessment that you filled out yourself already, and send it to Bobby and your LiveGood website. And that's it. Just love on Bobby. You don't have to force them. You don't have to nothing. Just let the goodness of LiveGood catch them for you, because remember, people cannot see our goodness. That's what it's all about. And you got to remember, you're going to come across people who say, how can your product be so amazing, so awesome, 100% money back guarantee? You guys show the analysis, certificate of analysis. You're so transparent about it. How can you bring them out so inexpensively when other companies are selling products made by garbage for 10 times the cost? It's very simple. Here's your answer. We make our products for our members, our family members of LiveGood to use for themselves. Traditional network marketing companies make it for 10, sell it to their members for 80, 70, 60, so the friend can buy it from the company and resell it to their friends to make $10. That model is not working. It's broken. I don't know that many people who want to make money off their friends anyway. But with LiveGood, it's completely different. You can be proud. You can hold your chin up knowing your friends cannot get this unseeable value anywhere else. So here's the deal, ladies and gentlemen. The same way Amazon started with books, and now after a few short years, Amazon with 200 million Prime members and nearly has everything. Don't be surprised that within the next few years, we bring a lot of other things, other services, other blessings into the LiveGood community. Because when you have 20, 30, 40, 100, 150 million members that are paying $9.95 a month to get their hands on the most advanced nutritional products on earth and get trained by Lisa and Ryan with 100% money back guarantee, we can add anything into that. Just like I said, where does Amazon start with? Amazon started with books. Amazon has everything. It's all about building your community, going out there, loving on people, being kind, creating that curiosity, but all starts with you becoming the product of the product. But if you just joined and you're waiting for your product to arrive, you got to use the excitement of how much money you use and the fact that you're right in front of one of the biggest explosion of love and commerce. Because the first 2 million, 3 million that we will get, they're coming in to save money. They're coming in because of the value. But the next, and being trained by Lisa and Ryan. But the next 20, 30, 40, 50 million people that inevitably will join LiveGood are going to come because the world is sick and tired of waiting till they're sick and then going to a doctor and be pumped up with more dope or medicine or drugs. Now with LiveGood making the best products on earth at 100% with 100% money back guarantee with the best ingredients documented, you can actually do that. Everybody has about a $50 to $100 supplementation budget. Traditional network marketing companies want product, pretend they have everything in it, they make it for 10, they split you for 90 to get that $90, $100 a month budget out of you. Why? Because they have to give away cars and trips out of that money. We do it different. We don't commission the tangible. We commission the membership. So Dr. Goodkin, this young man over here, where is he? Right there. He can actually splurge and put the best ingredients money can buy in our product, because I don't have to make it for 14 like we do with our reds and greens, $13.85, and bring it to people for 100. We can make it for 14 and bring it to you at 18 because we don't commission the tangible. We commission the membership. That's the revolution of commerce. So ladies and gentlemen, become the product of the product. Go out there, be kind, be loving, but be sure. Create that curiosity. We're going to have 100 million people in this company. And here's one last thing. We keep talking about Amazon, right? Imagine when Amazon only had 2 million Prime members. They have over 220 million. Google it. I don't know. About 220 million Prime members that are in Amazon now. If Jeff Bezos, the owner of Amazon, would have come to us when Amazon only had 1 million or 2 Prime members, say, hey, Nauder, hey, Lisa, hey, John, hey, Bob, hey, whatever. Give me a one-time $40, and whatever Prime member you refer to me, and they refer to me, and they refer to me, I'll give you a percentage of their monthly income, monthly membership fee forever and ever. Imagine if you did that with Jeff Bezos when Amazon only had 2 million members. What would you have now with 220 million people in Amazon? Imagine that's LiveGood. One-time $40, nobody's losing anything. You can't even fill half of the tank of a car, gas tank of a car for $40, and it can be a part of a global business. And the $9.95 a month is not really a cost, because on average, our members are placed in a 6.5 to 7 item product order. Why? Because they cannot unsee the goodness. They cannot unsee the value. And that's the thing. People are getting on these products, and guess what? With the fundraising launching, with the gym program launching, with the pet care product, household goods, we're going to be in front of all of your friends' eyes through you or some social media influencer or the school fundraising. I'm at a school right now. I'm about to go speak at a presentation for graduation. The parking lot is full. I mean, Live Good is going to be in front of everybody's eyes, and it all starts with you becoming the product of the product, lovingly, caringly, but creating the curiosity, sharing the love, getting the most comprehensive health system on the planet, a couple of Lisa and Ryan's videos that you think will bless your friends, and your Live Good website, and send it to everyone that you know. You don't need to sell them on anything. When they go on that website, when they start watching our videos, remember, people cannot unsee our goodness. So I got to go speak at a graduation. I love you all. Congratulations on being a part of the Live Good. Become the product of the product. Fall in love with Lisa Ryan's Monday Zoom. Keep it honest. Keep it pure. No reason to hype. This goodness cannot be unseen. God bless you all, and we thank you. We see you on tomorrow's Zoom. Go out there, tell everybody you know about Live.